Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl, born and raised, but now is living in North Carolina. This channel is aimed to motivate and inspire you. I hope you enjoy. Alright y'all, so about to get this soil delivered.
She's gonna drop it right here, and then I'll pull forward.
Alright y'all, so about to get all this delivered. I'm so excited. Let me get over here in the sun. It's a little chilly still to me. Let's see, so this is 4 scoops, and if y'all watched the video before this one, you would have saw when we went and looked at the soil and all that type of stuff. Yep, you would have saw that in that video. Went and looked at the soil and got, so I ended up getting 3 scoops of the blended soil and 1 scoop of the regular soil. So yes. Here we go. Jacksonville, Mulch and More, okay? Jacksonville, North Carolina. All right. There it goes. There it goes. That's a lot of soil. Huh? Oh. That's a lot of soil, y'all. So let me sign the paperwork to let them you have to sign paperwork to make sure it was delivered and all that type of stuff. But look at this. That's a lot of soil. So it's time to get this all amended. Well, all you gotta do is put Perlite in it. So yeah. Alright y'all, so it is here, okay? So I'm about to go ahead and start putting Perlite in here and all that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that y'all. Oh my goodness, let me walk y'all around this. Now look at how much soil this actually is. Look at this. That is a lot of soil. Let me see if I still got y'all. Okay, that's a lot of soil. So we're gonna see how much this actually fill up the buckets. So what I'm gonna do is, since we haven't washed, I might as well do the buckets in here. So go and start running buckets out here, and I might as well have y'all to wash. You're gonna wash buckets and I'll rinse while this get amended. So yeah, it's the whole thing now of getting it done, putting the Perlite in. Alright y'all, so this is the Perlite. I'm probably gonna end up putting all 3 bags in there because that's a lot of soil. So the Perlite is what I'm putting. I got these 2 today. If y'all saw the vlog before this one, this is one I been had that my son left on the deck, but it's pretty dry, so that is good. So that's what is about to go in here.
The blackbird inside your chest that calls on you to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past. You did what you knew. Slow down and rest. You've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold.
All right, y'all. So got the perlite on there. Now it's finna get turn. I always try to tell you, wear a mask, turn your head, something when you're dealing with perlite, because that stuff can get down your throat and it's not good for your lungs and all that. I only have cloth and paper mask and it still come through, so I do better with covering like this and turning my head or whatnot, because I've tried it with masks and it's still it's like the fumes. It's different because it's dry. Now, a lot of people probably be like, oh, well, you wear a mask and for COVID, and but it don't. That's different. Those are wet droplets from people coughing, spitting, all that. But this right here is more of a fine, powdery mist, and it's some kind of way it just still do what it do. So I find it to turn my head and cover with my hand. That way it seems like I can keep my face covered more. So that's why I didn't put that on. If y'all been following me, you know I used to wear them. I didn't, and then I used to wear them, and it just still was the same. So yeah, make sure you are doing that. So now the soil is about to get turned. So y'all, it's getting mixed. I feel like I need more perlite, but I'll see. After it's all done, it looks like I need more. Cause that dirt get thick. In the meantime, between time, this is what's going on over here. The kids these is all the buckets. All the buckets. And they are about to get washed out. And these are food grade buckets. They had dill pickles in them. Yeah, they're all food grade buckets too. And these are the tote bins that the nice man gave me too. I told y'all in the vlog before this, my last trip there, he made it free, and gave me all the bins and the last of the 15 buckets, because I had already bought 64 from him. And yeah, so I got these gonna work out perfect. They're gonna get washed out too, and holes gonna be put on them, and I can grow things, potatoes and all that in these bins, beans and all. So I'm excited about that. Look at all these buckets gotta get washed. These buckets. And then they're gonna be getting filled with this. So that's why I have bleach and stuff right here, and they're gonna get filled and start being taken to the back. Well, actually we're gonna since they getting washed, we're gonna load the wagon and let them dump it in the back, and we'll fill everything in the back. Seems like it's more work, but it'll just work out that way. I'm literally looking at it, look like I need more Perlite. All right, y'all, so they are putting the bucket. We didn't even get a chance to wash them yet. They putting the buckets back up, gonna put them in the garage, cause we gotta leave and go get some Perlite. I'm hoping don't nobody come in and take none of my dirt, okay? But we gotta go and get some Perlite, cause this is definitely not enough. Them 3 bags was not enough, so gotta go get some Perlite, and I'm just gonna grab lunch. So guess what, just gonna have to bring y'all on. Well, I'll be able to see if somebody come and get some dirt. I'm gonna have a problem, okay? I'll be able to see this. I ain't worried about that, but if they take this, then you know, them my buckets. My buckets. So we just gonna go, because that'll be easier to, you know, do all that. So I ain't worried about that. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave that right here. I'll be able to see while I'm gone if anybody come and mess with my dirt. But I need to at least go get some more Perlite so we can get this turned and moved to the back. And then they'll wash this when we come back. Okay. Busy day trying to get this stuff together, y'all. I got plans, I got goals, and with God's will, things is already looking up for my goals, okay? When it comes to all this, and it's a lot of work, but it's got to be done. We gotta eat. So I see y'all in the next scene. All right, y'all, so we are back to the house. And we ended up getting 4 bags of the Perlite by Vigoro, y'all know what I'm saying. This be a good price for this brand. I used to use the soil, everything that I could from them, their steaks and everything. But got 4 bags, and that should be enough once that go on there. I'll let y'all see in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I got this bin with some warm water, well, hot water from the house, and a little bit of cold water. Make it warm, and put some dishwashing liquid in it and some bleach, and that's what we're finna wash the buckets out with. So that's what this step is right here. Okay, a lot of y'all be asking, do I put holes in my bucket? Yes, you gotta have good drainage for your stuff to grow. So just take your drill, and I just put a lot of little holes. Some people put it along the outside. I don't do that. I put them at the bottom. They be just a lot of little holes. Alright, y'all, so it's almost 4 o'clock, and we had a little thing going. Tatiana was on washing duty, Kylie was on rinsing, and I was drilling the holes into the buckets, and then they was filling, the boys was filling and taking it to the back. Oronde was filling and the buckets, and my son was taking them to the back. So it's almost 4 o'clock. So what we're about to start doing now is starting to fill this wagon right here. Gonna fill that wagon and start taking dirt to the back, and then we'll finish it tomorrow. So the girls is gonna finish washing and rinsing, so that ain't gotta be done. Once they wash and rinse, now I'm gonna be stacking it like these are over there. I don't know if you can see, start stacking those, and we're gonna take them into my garage. So tomorrow it'll be just putting more holes in them, because all these got to get holes put in. Put more holes in them and then filling them, but it'll be done in the backyard. All right, y'all, so we got soil right here that needs to be done. We went on drug everything to the back, and these 1, 2, 3, 4 things of soil right there is is wrapped up. So we'll finish this tomorrow, guys. I think it's supposed to rain, so that may delay us. I'm not sure, but definitely got all the buckets that's got to be done, and the rest of the totes right here, y'all. Still got a lot of buckets that's got to be done. They've been all washed, everything been bleached down and washed, but you got to put holes in it and fill them up with dirt. And some of the stuff was getting right here, y'all can see, start filling up that area with the buckets. Yes. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all was motivated and inspired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Bye.